Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Govee TV Backlight 3 mainly showing blue. Now, the way that I fixed this issue when I was coming across it is that first you want to go into the Govee Home app, and then next what you're going to do is that you want to make sure that you have Bluetooth enabled so that you can connect to your Govee TV Backlight 3. Now, once you have Bluetooth enabled, you want to click onto your Govee TV Backlight, and then with that, you want to go ahead and turn it on and then turn it off. So that's the first thing. Now, if that still doesn't work, what you could actually do next is that you see where it says part and all, you could actually set it to all and then set it to part and then see if that actually changes the colors as well. Now, if your Govee TV Backlight 3 still continues to mainly show blue, what you can do next is that you could actually unplug your Govee TV Backlight 3 from its wall socket and leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds. Once you leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds, go ahead and replug it back in. But in essence, the way that I fixed my Govee TV Backlight 3 mainly showing blue is that I simply just turned it on or off using the Govee Home app like what you see over here. But I've heard other people actually go ahead and unplug it and then that fixed the issue for themselves. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your Govee TV Backlight 3 mainly showing blue. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below.